Students who are currently taking shelter at various relief camps are facing uncertain future as they continue to endure multiple challenges and financial hardships while trying to stay in schools. The students have complained that they have not received relaxation on their school fees and admission fees despite the assurance given by government. The students haven't received their monthly allowance of 3,000 rupees as was promised by government. Under the circumstances, the students are facing uncertainty as they have been deprived the rights to education. Parents, who themselves are struggling to make the end meets, have urged relevant authority to ensure that their children get uninterrupted education.
Aina koi Manipur da leminari ba koi satri sangstan chinau jing pham da karimuk khradang jing jari madudi hojik koi gi inmate ama IDP satra moin hingi ba satra mayam ji aduki matik awaban nange hojik school admission school fee school gi ka tuition fee school gi gari chakki fee mayam ji hojik ti hana ti khara logiram ba khara logiram da taw bu hojik ti anam bana loina loksalakwa school khara da di admission tabiraga ju khara amati ta da pulap pulap lo yor ko mayam ji Manipur da hinari ba koi maru oina satra gi sangstan ji namtang ming changdi ona parents amoina khanjari Manipur government gi site gi ju angang amagi nongmagi lupa chama chama sabiraga satra amada thamagi lupa lising ahum pibigane na ko nerban siamna mamang thakta kyara haji garaba hojik su lupa makoi madugi damakta satra amagi lupa ma phangba leijati adik marak ta government gi site gi family amagi inmate amada per head lising amma marak marak pibiramadi ji pirak kidre adana hojik se asukki matik koi satra jingji am awaba nange lamdam ji ta khundamnai ba maru oina satra gi sangstan ji na satra jing ta miyeng changdi dana elective amde hingi ba satra jing ji mating pangbiyona parents amoina thongijari